I got monetized in 24 hours, in less than 24 hours. And it came like a surprise to me. I could not believe it when I got up in the morning and saw that email from YouTube saying that I have been accepted into their monetization program, of which I applied just a few hours during the day, and the next day I was accepted. For you to become a YouTube partner, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours accumulated within 365 days. So when I woke up that morning, my watch hours were at 2.3 thousand. So I was waiting for YouTube to update the watch hours I had from my live stream, because it usually take about 5 days for your watch hours to be updated, because YouTube has to check it out and make sure that you got them rightly, it's not bots and all that. So by noon that day, I said, let me just check my studio again, and I discovered that my watch hours were already updated. They were no longer showing me my number of subscribers and watch hours. They just showed me that I should apply for the YouTube partnership program. So I clicked on it, and they gave me their user terms for me to read and agree, accept it, and then I went ahead to create my Google AdSense account, which is what they're going to use to pay me. So when I applied around 12 o'clock that day, YouTube said it was going to take about a month. It's not specific for my channel to be reviewed. So I was just surprised that the next day by 8 a.m. I got an email saying that Crochet Inspiration, you have been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. You can now earn money from your content. So I was super excited, and I was like, this is just less than 24 hours. I thought it was going to take maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or up to a month, as YouTube had suggested. So talking about the video, I have one video that gave me 5,000 watch hours and more than 2,000 subscribers. It's a live stream. I'm going to be sharing my secret with you guys in a separate video. I'm going to tell you how you can get your watch hours in a couple of days or maximum a week. So I started my YouTube journey in 2022, and after posting a few vlogs, I had to stop posting because I didn't have the time to go out and make vlogs, and my phone had a problem. I couldn't do sit down videos either, so I just abandoned my channel for about a year. It is in March of 2024 this year that I decided to start growing my channel again. I was at 500 subscribers. So from there, in a couple of 2 months, I left from 500 to about 2,000 subscribers, and most of my subscribers came from the inspirational images I was creating using Microsoft Bing. I'm going to share that with you guys. And then from there, I started making tutorials, crochet tutorials. So my channel has been growing since then. And before this live stream that went viral and gave me 5k watch hours, I already had 2.3 thousand watch hours. So I was looking to complete this before February, which is going to make another circle of 365 days, because I created my YouTube channel in February. But thanks to Livestream, I was able to get 5,000 watch hours from just one video, and I applied and I got accepted. I'm super excited, and we have a lot we are going to be sharing. So please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing with you how I managed to get my 5,000 watch hours in less than 24 hours. To become monetized, you must follow YouTube community guidelines. You must also follow their content monetization guidelines, because if you have a copyright claim, or you have a copyright strike which is still active, you will not be able to monetize your channel. So before applying for monetization, go through your channel and check if you have copyright claim videos, and you work on that. Or if you have a copyright strike, you have to wait for it to expire. So I have a tutorial on how to make this hat. I'm going to link it so you can check it out. This beautiful ruffle hat that I made. I'm going to link the tutorial here. You can go ahead and check it out.